Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about multiplying polynomials, so let's just get right into it. So the method that we taught you guys in class was the box method. If you understand how to use distribution, you're more than welcome to do that, but in this video, I'm only going to be showing you the box method. So if you look here at these two polynomials, this one has two terms and this one also has two terms. So when I create my box, it's going to be a 2 by 2 box. So I have my 2 by 2. I put this one on the left side. It actually does not matter where you put it, but I usually start off the first one on the left and the second one on the top. So when you multiply, make sure you're multiplying correctly. I'm doing 4x squared times 2x. So first I do 4 times 2, which is 8. And then after that, I'm going to do x squared times x. When you multiply variables and they're the same variable, you must add their exponents. So technically the exponent here is 1. So if I do 1 plus 2, I'm going to get x to the third. Now if I do 5 times 2x, 5 times 2 is 10. And since this one doesn't have an x, I just bring the x with it. Over here, 4 times 3 is 12. Since there's no x squared or anything to multiply with the x's, I'm just going to keep it an x squared. And lastly, 5 times 3 is 15. After that, I want to put things in standard form. So I'm going to go from the highest exponent. My highest exponent is 3. So I start off with 8x to the third. Then I move on to my next highest, which is 2. So I have 12x squared, then 10x, then 15. Notice how in this problem, there are no like terms. You're not combining anything. Some problems you can, some problems you cannot. So this is how you multiply using the box method. So now we're going to go over another one, but I'm going to change up the problem just a little bit. Let's say we had 3x plus 4 and x squared plus 3x plus 4. So notice how in this problem, it is a 2. And then in this polynomial, there are 3 terms. So our box needs to be a little bit different. Instead of a 2 by 2 box, I am going to make it in a 2 by 3 box. So the 2 would have to go on the left side here because that's the only place that it will fit. And the 3 has to go on the top. So now I start multiplying. 3x times x squared is going to be 3x to the third. 3x times 3x, 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. And then 3x times 4 is 12x. Now if I go here, 4 times x squared is 4x squared. 4 times 3x is 12x. And then 4 times 4 is 16. In this problem, we are going to have like terms. We can see right here, we have the x squares. They're going to be like, and we also have just the x's. So starting from a highest exponent of 3x to the third, combine these two. When you combine, you are adding. So 4 plus 9 will give me 13x squared. 12 plus 12 will give me 24x. And then the last one is 16. So when you're filling out the box, you are multiplying. Once you have like terms, you are then going to be adding. Now for the very last type of problem that you might see is that you might see something that looks like this. And they want you to multiply it. This is the same exact thing as 2x plus 4 times 2x plus 4. These two are the same. You would then just set up your box. A 2 by 2 box, 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4, and then you would just multiply it out. If you have any questions, please contact us.